In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find phone numbers with RocketReach. By the end, you'll know exactly how to look up a contact, reveal their details, and organize the information so you can use it effectively and responsibly. First, open RocketReach in your browser, or use the official Chrome extension if you prefer working directly from sites like LinkedIn or company pages. Log into your account so you can access all features. If you're using the extension, make sure it's enabled and that you're signed in there as well. This ensures your searches and any credits you use are properly tracked and your results saved to your workspace. Next, head to the search bar. The fastest way to get accurate results is to enter the person's name along with their company. If you don't have both, you can paste a LinkedIn profile URL or type in a company domain to browse relevant people. Be specific to narrow things down. Include a job title or location if you know it, and double-check spelling. For common names, combining the name with the company is especially helpful. If you're using a domain search, scan for the right role before opening contact details. When the results appear, review the list and pick the exact person you're looking for by matching their title, company, and location. Click Thus Add or Get Contact Info. RocketReach will then reveal available contact details, which often include an email address and, when possible, a phone number. Keep in mind that availability varies. Not every profile will have a phone number, and sometimes you'll see multiple possibilities. Look for indicators of confidence or recency when they're shown, and always confirm you've selected the correct person by cross-referencing their role. Use this information for legitimate outreach only, and follow applicable privacy and communication rules. If you plan to call, make sure your messaging is relevant and respectful, and honor any do not contact preferences. If you'll need the contact later, or you're building a list, save the profile to your RocketReach list, so everything stays organized. From there, you can export your contacts as a CSV or push them into your CRM, where you can tag them by campaign, add notes, and set reminders. Keep your records clean by updating statuses, removing duplicates, and documenting opt-outs. This will help you stay compliant and maintain a professional outreach process. That's it. Open RocketReach and log in, search with a precise query, reveal the correct contacts details, and store them in your list or CRM. Use the data responsibly, and you'll be ready for efficient, targeted outreach.